welcome to our channel. Do you want to know how to use loans to create wealth? If your answer is yes, please watch till the end and hit the like button and subscribe. Many years ago in the heart of New York City lived a man named Elijah. Elijah was an average Joe working 9 to 5, barely making ends meet. But unlike others, he had a vision that he would become a millionaire. The surprising twist? He planned to use debt as his ladder to wealth. Yes, you heard it right, debt. The thing most of us are taught to avoid like the plague. Elijah started small. He borrowed money to invest in a small rundown apartment block. He knew the potential it held. He spent months renovating, improving, and finally, the once dilapidated block was transformed into a desirable residence. The rent started flowing in, more than enough to cover his debt repayments and still leave a handsome profit. But how did Elijah do it? How did he use debt to create wealth? He followed a simple yet effective 3-step process. First, he identified an investment that would generate a higher return than the cost of his debt. This is the golden rule of using debt to create wealth. The return on your investment must always be higher than your debt cost. Second, he ensured he had a clear and realistic plan to repay the debt. This is crucial. Without a solid repayment strategy, debt can quickly become a burden rather than a tool for wealth creation. Finally, he understood the importance of leverage. Leverage is using borrowed money to increase the potential return of an investment. Elijah knew that by using other people's money, he could make more than if he just used his own. Elijah's journey is a prime example of how debt, when used wisely and strategically, can be a powerful tool in wealth creation. But remember, it comes with risks. It's essential to have a clear plan, a good understanding of the investment, and a keen eye on the market conditions. To recap today's discussion, point 1. Debt can be a tool for wealth creation, if used wisely. Point 2. The return on your investment should be higher than your debt cost. Point 3. A clear and realistic repayment strategy is crucial. Point 4. Leverage can increase the potential return of an investment. Remember, Elijah's story is not an exception, but a testament to the power of strategic debt. It's a journey that requires careful planning, a keen understanding of the market, and above all, the courage to take calculated risks. Before we wrap up, here's a quick reminder to hit that subscribe button and bell icon for more financial insights and strategies. Keep tuning in to unlock the secrets of turning your financial dreams into reality. And remember, like Elijah, you too can climb the ladder of wealth. It all starts with a vision, a plan, and the courage to take that first step. So, are you ready to take yours?